guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I'll be showing you how to fix Microsoft Teams freezing in Windows 10, 7 and 8. So to fix it, you need to open Microsoft Teams. After opening Microsoft Teams, you need to go to Settings. After going to Settings, you need to disable GPU hardware. You scroll down. Then you turn off animations. Then you go to the Privacy tab. You disable Read Receipt. Then you restart Microsoft Teams. Then you open it again. So now Microsoft Teams will be faster. So thank you for watching guys. If you find this video useful, give a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Till then, bye bye.